Welcome. Today we're going to talk about routines. And routines are things we do all the time. So for example, I get up early to exercise. Then I have breakfast and get ready for work. I always get to the office early so that I have time for a cup of tea and a chat to my colleagues before starting my work at 8 a.m. To chat to your colleagues means to talk to your colleagues. For he and she and it, we must add the S to the verbs. So I get up early, but Mark gets up early to exercise. Then he has breakfast and gets ready for work. He always gets to the office early, so he has time for a cup of tea and a chat to his colleagues before starting his work at 8 a.m. See, the S is on all the action verbs. Now let's practice. Muhammad drive to work every day, or Muhammad drives? Muhammad is he, so he drives to work every day. I usually have bread and fruit for breakfast, or I usually has. He has, but I usually have breakfast and fruit. We'll do one more together. I work for a company in Saudi, or I works for a company in Saudi. I work for a company in Saudi. Now you're going to do these ones. Well, very nice. We're going to see you next time then for the verb to be negative. Don't forget to like and subscribe.